Overtraining. Are you overtraining? Do you think you're overtraining? Maybe you're undertraining? There's so many different reviews about this topic. Let's break it down. First off, can you overtrain? Of course you can overtrain. But there's a lot of circumstances that play a huge role. Number one, if you're new to working out, your potential for overtraining is 10 times greater. Symptoms of overtraining: extreme soreness. Rhabdo is probably something you've heard of. It's essentially when you start your strength training, you're breaking down a ton of muscle, and then there's so much breakdown that electrolytes, proteins get released in your bloodstream. Get really sick, sometimes could be fatal. Very rare. It's almost ignorance when that occurs. If you're working with a trainer and that occurs, you should probably definitely get your refund. The number one rule for me is when you're starting your new program, you've taken a long break, is be very responsible, listen to your body. Now here's where it gets tricky. I don't think overtraining is possible with certain people. If you properly introduce yourself to the gym, if you're gradually increasing your frequency, if you're doing things correctly, I've witnessed people hitting muscle groups 5 times a week. An example of building frequency to where the point of overtraining almost being impossible is there's been multiple bench press champions that reportedly train chest 7 times a day. Yes, 7 times a day. Obviously, if you're new to the gym, not possible. You will overtrain. All right, so here's my conclusion of overtraining. Of course it's possible, especially if you're new to the gym. So exercise with caution when you're starting your program. But remember, as your body's adapting and you're building that frequency and your soreness is not as bad, you can gradually increase hitting those muscle groups that you want to target, whether it be butt, arms, to multiple times a week, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, just leave a comment below. Thank you, guys.
No masterpiece. 10 bad